So today we're using our CamVac system here with our camera, and while we have our camera in our pipe, we're not actually able to see any bubbles coming into the pipe where that leak typically would be, and we think there's a lot of water around that pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to blow all the water out of that pipe, so that way we can hopefully see where that water is coming in, since we can't see where the air is coming in, and that's another way you can use our CamVac system. So our next step right now is we're going to have to take this camera out of the line, and then we're going to blow all of that water out with a vacuum. All right, now I have my camera out of the pipe, and our next step is going to be to get that vacuum on the other end of this line so we can blow all this water out. Before we use our vacuum to blow the water out the line, we're going to take this canister off right here. We're going to put this piece on right here, so that way all the water blows out this way, not straight up into the air. And a notch over here is going to turn the vacuum on and get it going. You can see all the water coming out of the pipe now, and we're going to wait until all of the water's out, and then we're going to put that canister back on it and start the process all over again, putting our camera down the pipe. Now we got most of the water off. Take this piece off. While the vacuum is still blowing it out, we're going to continue to put the camera back down into the pipe. We're going to get that camera all the way to the other end like you usually would with the CamVac system. We just got our camera cable all the way through our pipe to the other end, and now that we've done that, Nacho can take the vacuum off and he's going to plug that end of the pipe, and I'm going to put this piece on the pipe, on the cable right here. Make sure it's tight in there so no air is getting out. Gonna turn our vac on. And then now we're ready to start looking at all of our 90s and all of our fittings to see if we can find where the leak is by pulling the water out of the pipe. Okay, we've just hit a fitting, so we're going to check to see if there's any water getting pulled in from outside of the pipe. Looks like there is some water getting pulled in. So you can clearly see where the water is coming in from where the leak is at. When I turn on, water is let in and you can actually see it pouring into the pipe. So that's exactly where your leak is. And we'll continue to check for more leaks throughout the rest of the pipe at the rest of the fittings in 90s. Another 90 here, we're going to check that one. We don't see any water coming in from outside of the pipe. One more 90. I don't see any water coming in. Now our camera's back at the top and we found our leak in the pipe by seeing that water come inside from outside of the pipe where it was flooding. We just found the leak with our CamVac and now we're gonna locate it with our cam scan. We just gridded the entire area and went through our 3 radiuses, and we just gridded this smaller portion of the area, and we know that our leak is right in the center of here, and this is where we would cut to find our camera head and where we found that leak, right there.